Hello everybody, it's another episode of Cooking with Michael for Opimian Wine Club, and today we're doing Pea Ricotta Crostini from Cellar 295. It's been prepared for us by Emma Cerulli, professional chef, and I have my mise en place here. I've got my prosciutto and lemon. Everything is ready, and we're going to be putting this on baguette when we're going to do some peas. Looking forward to it, and I'll start getting things in the oven and be right back at you. So I have all the components ready. I've done the peas just for a few minutes. You don't want to overcook the peas. I've got all of the shallots and the garlic and all of the herbs and lemon are all in there. I've gotten these to golden brown in a 375-degree oven, and I've crisped up the prosciutto, and now I'm ready to assemble. See you at the assembly. And here you are. You've got Pea Ricotta Crostini with this wonderful L'Exuberance Rosé from Clos Cantonac, the perfect appetizer to an incredible weekend meal.